welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm gonna make for you a quick breakfast smoothie, and I have here four different berries: raspberry, blueberry, blackberry, and strawberry. And I have some date, walnuts, flaxseed, oatmeal, coconut water, and 5-spice powder. I'm gonna put a dash of salt in it because that bring out the flavor. So let's get started. I just eyeball everything. I don't have a measurement, especially for my berries. Okay, I'm gonna add my berries. Some of them are frozen. Okay. My oatmeal. I hope it can fit. Supposed to get 3 servings out of everything here. Walnut, flaxseed, and my date. Whew. I'm adding a half teaspoon of my Chinese 5-spice. Like, give it a little kick. Make you go, what is that? Not too much. You just want it in the background. Put these away. I need my salt. Set that dash of salt. Not too much. You don't have to put it if you don't need it. Okay. And my coconut water. Okay, let's see how that is. Turn this around. Get my cover. And off we go. Let's see. Thick. Oh, it's delicious. Okay, that's it. See how thick that is? guys, let's take a shot together. Oh my God. You don't need no sugar, no honey, no nothing. It's sweet, not too sweet, just right. Oh my God. Can just have this for, I have this for breakfast and it fill me up until lunch. That's all I need for breakfast. Good summer breakfast. So thanks guys for coming to my home. Subscribe to my channel, ring that bell. And God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a great day or night wherever you are. God bless you again. Bye-bye.